Hey family, it's me Gigi, bringing you this new capsule, Interior Wallpaper Trends for 2022. Remember to like and subscribe at the end of the video. It will really support my channel. Let's start off with Pink Charlotte. How pretty is this color? It also resembles a modern chinoiserie. This style drops into our shops in spring. Plant World has this tropical holiday feel. You won't feel isolated in a lockdown. The African Woman, enchanting images of African women with inviting shades of wine red and dark mustard. Use this in an African-inspired interior decor. Textile wallpaper, very stylish and pretty, made from a non-woven material and never fades. Liquid wallpaper. This really resembles a lavender field, don't you think? Just gorgeous. Made from viscous material, therefore it covers faults on the walls. Knit wallpaper. Fun, playful, energizing. Use this in the family playroom or creative rooms. Fashion stripes. Monochrome stripes are stylish and fashionable. Use as a feature wall or all over the room as seen here. Flowers in harmony. I love this pencil art look. It's charming. If you love floral but want a different look, this is it. Use colorful furniture as a color block. Stunning. Chinese flair. In a warm dark mustard shade with pretty blooming flowers, it's delightful. Bird sonnet. Add some fun and charm to your home with these birds on an orchid tree. Apparently, there are other botanical creatures hidden in the leaves and flowers. African Tribe by Art Ideal Decal. A beautiful, colorful image of African men and women going or coming from the market, stunning on a feature wall. Mesmerize your eyes with this Japanese glowing mural by Mind the Gap. It's non-woven, therefore easy to install. Your family and friends will surely be impressed. Flamingo Flight, an eye-catching pretty image of flamingos in fresh pink. It will dazzle up any room. Use it in the bedroom, home office, or living room as a feature wall. Platinum Rose Gold Damask. Damask is a timeless classic pattern. The rose gold foil gives it opulence. Tropical Rainforest. Tropical heaven, cheerful and energizing. Use it on a feature wall. This pattern kills those lockdown blues. Versailles or Versailles Grand, please correct me. This echoes 18th century French wallpaper design. It will turn any room into a dreamboat. Bright Floral Garden. This is so pretty. There is no such thing as too much floral. Always remember that large flowers will turn a big room into a smaller one, and smaller flowers, not physically by the way, and smaller flowers will turn a small room larger. African Mural, an exciting picture of the jungle with all the beautiful animals. But remember, the natural habitat of 90% of the animals here is the savannas. It still looks enchanting. Peacock Aurora. Alluring artistic image of peacocks. It has that classic vintage feel. It's easy peel, stick, removable and reusable. Thank you for watching. I hope you're inspired. Please like, comment and subscribe to support my channel. Until next time.